Hey there, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today is this week's unboxing episode here. And so this first box is something that a subscriber and a great supporter to the channel sent in. He reached out to me about a week ago saying he was cleaning out some stuff from his closet. And he had some stuff that doesn't get any attention anymore, stuff here and there. And he, wanted to send my way and to do what I like, do my choosing, do some reviews, maybe do a giveaway, whatnot. But anyway, he's a great supporter. I'm going to, keep it anonymous because I think he does value his anonymity. The box is over here on my right. It's a tall box, so I couldn't fit the overhead camera, and it'll be just too big here. So I just opened it, and I'm going to be pulling stuff out of it. There's a mishmash of stuff here going on. There's some watches and some knife stuff, and this is a ZT zero tolerance bag here. I guess. Wow. Oh, cool. Keep your knives. I started getting into knives, and this anonymous friend knows that. and wow, this is awesome carrying case for ZT knives or any knives. Mrs. Legs thinks it's weird that I'm getting into knives, and I don't want to scare her too much, but whatever, it is what it is. Got some straps here, excellent. Some Haveston straps. Yes, this is going to be perfect for the aqua diver. This is a great, nice little NATO strap. Very good color. I love it. Love that color. Yeah, awesome. Let's, stack it to the side over here. Another watch gecko. Very nice. Ooh, this is a greenish. Man, this is perfect. I could use a greenish suede. I think it's kind of like a suede here. Strap. I hope I have enough battery power for the camera here. Let's take a look at some more stuff here. Oh, another Haveston tool watch roll. Oh, watch roll. Okay, cool. Very, very cool. Very, very nice. Yeah, very, very cool. If I don't keep this, that might be a great giveaway item. I'm hopefully reaching 2,000 subs soon. Yeah. Okay, BZ grips up. Yeah, scales for a knife. Excellent. Very, very nice. Oh, baby, Spyderco Delica. Nice. This is awesome. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh man, that is so cool. Look at that grip. Scales here. Oh man, that is awesome. This may have been like one of these sprint run Delicas. It looks like one of them. I could be wrong, but that is awesome. Man, Mrs. Legs, I hope you're not watching. I think she's upstairs on the Peloton, so that's good, and hopefully the kids don't rat me out. What is this? This feels a little heavy. What's going on here? Oh, some links here. Okay, yeah. Alpha, nice. Very nice, cool panda style chronograph. Excellent. We'll do some reviews on this. Very nice looking chrono there. I know nothing about Alpha. I think, well, that's not true. I've heard of Alpha before. But any chance to get some of these watches in for the channel. Wow, look at that one. I should have gotten closer with the camera with that. Sorry, guys. Wow, look at that one. That is so cool. Very, very Paul Newman-like. Sweet. Yeah. Wow. Very nice. Okay. You put those to the side over here as well. Pena series. Ooh, look at this. Holy mackerel. Nice pens. Wow, I've been looking for, some pens. I don't write a lot, but I've been looking for like a kind of like an EDC pen. And man, these are sweet. I hang around with a lot of guys who are really into pens, by the way. Marcus and Colin. Oh, wow, that is cool. Oh, that is awesome. Sweet. Wow. Yeah, awesome. Man, this is some great stuff over here. Holy cow. Okay. Lynch Northwest. Let's go over here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. I need a Prybar. I needed a Prybar. I need this. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, that is so cool. I mean, like, there's like stuff that I feel like I'm about to pull the trigger on and I hold back. That is so cool. So cool. The Electricianz. Let's see what this is. Okay. Alrighty. I'm not sure if I know what's going on here with this one here. Oh, yeah. Wow. Oh. Yeah. Okay. How do I get this out? This is a what? Is this? Look at that thing, man. I'm gonna struggle taking that out. I gotta read before using. So let me just put this away here for a second, because I don't want to. I'm already making them. This is just. It just keeps on coming. Seiko. He told me that there were some mods here that he didn't really have any use for anymore. Oh, but this is not a mod. Oh, which one's this one? Oh man, I'm so bad. Oh, this is such a cool chrono. The SCEDO 057. Oh, I'll have the name of it in the description. But this is what a cool watch. Oh man, that is awesome. So awesome. Oh, that's so cool. What a cool. I love the colors, man. Holy cow. I'm bad with names, guys, so please forgive me. You know what? Let's have this. I'm gonna have this out right here because it is so cool. I just want to have that going right there. Okay. Yes, another Seiko. Yeah. My friend did a lot of modding. He was asking me about if I had done any modding. We're getting back into it. Wow, man, that's awesome. He did this. Some SKX mods. Holy cow, that's a sharp looking. Look at those hands. Oh, that's awesome. Let's put that right here too. I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to keep the kids out of here. I'm gonna have to keep the kids out of here. Another SKX mod. Oh, so awesome. We got a snowflake hand there. So awesome. Oh, this is really like Christmas. This is just like Christmas, man. Holy cow. Oh man. Another Seiko modification, I think. Yes. Oh, look at that bracelet. Oh, that is so awesome. Wow. That's so cool. Oh man, this is really like, this is so much fun for me. I know this is gonna be a long video, but this is just so much fun. Ooh yeah, he told me he was gonna include this one in here. Oh boy, this is, I was looking forward to really seeing this one, man. This is awesome. So Labs, so awesome. So Labs, so awesome. Wow, so cool. Can't wait to do a review on this one. Alrighty, next. Man, it just keeps on coming. Oh man, this looks like another watch roll. Oh yeah, awesome. This is Wrist in Style. Another awesome watch roll. Oh man, yeah, look at that thing. Jeez Louise, that's beautiful. Holy mackerel. Oh, some pocket knives. Okay. Traditional pocket knives. Oh man, how do I open this? Okay, let's see. I think. Wow, this is so interesting, man. Oh, holy cow. How's this open? Oh, wow. Oh, man. That is unbelievable. Holy smokes. Yeah, I gotta step it up here. I gotta maroon linen. All right. I'm like seriously overwhelmed. It's crazy stuff here. Oh wow, holy mackerel! What's this? What is this? Oh yeah, nice little Seiko watch holder. Very, very awesome. Whew. Man, I am this is where it's gonna get, I'm gonna get really geeked out over here. We got some Booker, some ZT, and another ZT. Experience it. Oh man, this is unbelievable. Oh wow, look at this thing. Holy smokes. Wow. Man, I hope Mrs. Legs does not walk in on this. Oh man. Uh-oh, wait a second here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, so this is a ZT. This is the 0566 ZT Hinderer. I was talking to my friend who sent this recently that, there's so many knives and I'm trying to stay away from buying more knives. But what I didn't tell him was that I wanted to have one last little hurrah and buy a knife before I give myself a self-moratorium of knives. And I was thinking of getting this knife. I didn't buy it, but I was thinking about, this is the knife that I was thinking about getting. This is ZT Hinderer. Oh my God. Holy smokes. Wow. Holy cow, man. Just bananas. And this is the last box here. This Booker knife. Whoa, oh wow. Holy cow. Is this a flipper? Wow, that is so cool. This is like a little gentleman's type knife, I would imagine. Very, very nice. Oh, yeah. Wow, so much great stuff here. I can't believe it. This is amazing. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. This is just incredible. I am so fortunate to make such great friends in this hobby, and people who are so generous, who, you know, want to donate stuff to the channel, so, you know, I can pass it along to you, the subscriber, and the giveaways. And this is gonna be some fun. You know, some of these may not make it to the giveaway, though. I gotta be honest with you. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging in there, and I'll see you in the next video.